Hey guys, what's happening? I wanted to come on here real quick and talk about some Facebook Messenger spam messages might be happening on Facebook Messenger or your Facebook business page or even your personal profile. So I've been warning clients about this and people about this. I've done these videos before. If you're listening to this on the podcast or see this in the video, this should help you. So here I am, and I believe this is my business manager. A lot of these, we get these spam messages quite a lot. If we see them on a client's page, we do delete them. But some of these sound really convincing. So I wanted to show you, you'll get these messages. We see these almost daily. And here's one that says, last warning, need to confirm this page belongs to you. So I got to be careful I don't click any of these links because it's probably going to be a virus or something like that. You're going to see these warnings, your page name. Your page is in copyright violation, terms and conditions, all that stuff. Let's see. Your page is expected to be permanently removed due to post violating our trademark rights. Okay, so these things, I literally see these things almost every day on my own page and then also on clients' pages. So they sound really good, but they're all just spam. Now, we do have a system that we kind of automatically delete them from like our dashboard system for leads, but unfortunately here, you're going to get these spammers. I'm not sure why Facebook allows these guys to keep happening, keep going. We do put them in spam, we report them as spam, but they just keep coming back. A lot of times they look exactly the same. So the big thing is, do not ever click on these messages, on these links. So good thing is to don't click on links in any messenger message that you get. You just want to really be careful. What's going to happen is they're going to try to basically get your account, log in, spend money on ads, and basically your ad account will get messed up. Your business page will get messed up and lost. So never click on these links. Just delete them, or you can report them as spam, move them to spam folder. That should help a little bit, but most likely you're going to keep seeing these things continuously. Okay, so this is again Facebook and Instagram messages that talk about last warning. It'll say warning, your page name. It'll say copyright, trademark issues, all this stuff. Very, very rarely will Facebook ever message you about this stuff. If there's an issue, they're just going to shut your page down. They don't care. So they're not going to warn you. They're just going to shut it down. So all these warnings, they don't warn you. They're not playing these little games. So, but it does look very good. It looks very convincing. So if you do have a question, the best thing is to have, we just take care of this stuff for our customers, our clients. Then they don't have to worry about it. Again, if you're operating on Facebook, getting messages from customers, it is confusing, and it does look legitimate. It looks real, but just be careful. And do not respond to those. But if this comes up, just note that that's probably a scammer who is trying to get access to your account. All right, guys, I hope that helps someone out there. Again, avoid clicking on any links from these Facebook warning messages or comments. A lot of times they can also comment and tag your business page saying it's going to be shut down. It's all a scam. Okay, guys, don't click on the links. Don't worry about those things. Okay, hope that helps. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.